Welcome students in science class chapter 2 food and health. Today's topic is communicable disease. In previous video I had explained you non-communicable disease which cannot be passed from person to person are called non-communicable disease. Today's topic is communicable disease. First of all, what is the meaning of communicable disease? Disease that can be passed or spread from one person to another person are called communicable disease and are spread by microbes or germs called bacteria, protozoa, viruses, fungi, etc. And these germs spread through coughing, spitting here and there, or when you are sneezing at the time also. Germs enter the body of a person through the nose or mouth or with food and water. They can also enter the body through cuts in the skin. Now first, this is the figure of bacteria. First figure is of the bacteria, this. And disease like plague, TB means tuberculosis, typhoid, pneumonia, etc. is caused by bacteria. Second figure, it is of virus. Disease like common cold, polio, chicken pox are caused by viruses. Next one, protozoan. Diseases like malaria, dysentery are caused by protozoan. So students, whenever you get the time, draw the figure in any of your notebooks of this kind of microbes and color it also whatever color you like. There are some other ways through which this disease spread are: first, through direct contact. Disease like typhoid, disease like common cold, chicken pox, measles, cough spreads through direct contact, either through clothing or other articles used by the sick person. If any person is sick and if they are suffering from this kind of the disease, and if you use their articles or their clothings, their towel or anything, then you might suffer from this disease. Second one, through infected food and water. Disease like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, polio, jaundice spread by eating infected food and by drinking polluted water, and sometimes this contaminate food and water, they also carry the germs and they sit on your food and they will contaminate your food. Next, through the air we breathe. Disease like chicken pox, whooping cough, diphtheria can be spread through sneezing or the air we breathe. Next, through the insects. Disease like malaria, plague, dengue caused by blood sucking insects like mosquitoes, fleas, bugs, etc. Malaria, in detail I will tell you. Malaria is caused by the protozoan which is carried by the female Anopheles mosquito. When the mosquito bites a person suffering from the malaria, the protozoa are sucked up with the blood. When this mosquito bites a healthy person, the protozoa are injected into the person's blood causing malaria. This way you are so you will get suffer from malaria. So students, these are the communicable disease spread through insects, through air we breathe, sometimes through contaminated food or polluted water, or sometimes by direct contact also. Thank you students.